So here we're doing the examples for section 2.1. This is for college algebra. And so here the distance formula is that distance is equal to the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. And so for section 2.1, we're doing number 24 and number 38. Number 24 pertains to the distance formula. And so the 2 points that they gave us, P1 has the coordinates of -1, 0. P2 has the coordinates of 2, 4. So the first thing that you want to do is just go ahead and label these. So you can label that x2, y2, and then x1, y1. Now, after you label them, we can go ahead and just use this formula that we have here. So we're going to do 2 minus -1 to the second power plus 4 minus 0 to the second power, or squared. And so for the first one, 2 minus -1 is the same thing as 2 plus 1, which is 3 squared. And then 4 minus 0 is just 4, which is 4 squared. And so what we're going to have here is 9 plus 16. So 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16, so that's going to give us 25. And so the square root of 25 is 5, so the answer to number 4 is the distance between the points -1, 0 and 2, 4 is 5 units. And then looking at the midpoint formula for number 38, again, probably the best thing to do is just to label them. And it doesn't really matter if you label them x2, y2, or the first one, or x1, y1, as long as you're consistent. And so for this example here, my x2 is -1 using this formula. -2, so it's going to be -2 plus 2 over 2. And then it's going to be 0 plus 4 over 2. And so the midpoint of these two is going to be, so -2 plus 2 is 0. And then this is 4 over 2. So then the midpoint between these 2 points is going to be 0, 2 for this particular example. And so those are the 2 examples for session 2.1. Thank you.